Good morning. This is Nalini, social scientist and psychologist. In today's Light Up Your Life topic, we'll talk about anger management. Anger is a biggest enemy. Anger varies from person to person and from situation to situation also. Generally, anger caused by insecurity or possessiveness. Anger can be caused by both external and internal events also. We can observe several changes in human body if we feel with angry also. Anger is a basic human emotion that is experienced by all people. But in anger situation, each person's feelings are different. But when it gets out of control, give chance to miss the relations among the people. Sometimes there is no chance to recovery of the situation. If we miss these relations, even lifelong it will be continued. So it is better to control your anger. In that moment, if we see some of the tips, definitely we can manage our anger also. In routine life, is there any person short tempered? Mostly other people they want to avoid to maintain the relations with that person also. If we see the quotation of Wendy Maran, how he explained, being angry is like holding a piece of burning coal in your hand and hoping the other person feels pain. So, the type of problem we are having with the anger. So, it is better to control. If we see the word anger spelling, A, accept you are behaving in the wrong way. So if you understand that one, slowly you wanted to try to reduce your anger. N, normalize your mood. Is there any situation? Try to control yourself. G, what is your goal? What way you are willing to get from others? You must think with the clarity. E, what is your expectation? What you are expecting from others? Try to convey that one in a proper way. What are the remedies or to control? Even though you are getting some distance from other people, try to understand by your behavior. In that moment, if you are very serious to control your anger, definitely you can control. Then not only this, some other taking food in time, getting sleep in time, good exercise, yoga, meditation, recreation also makes you to feel cool also. Is there any problematic situation? You can tolerate all the problematic problems. Try to expect that one in a peaceful way. Another one also, is there what are the hobbies you are having? It may be a gardening, listening music, spending time with the pet dogs, like that. By getting that peaceful mind, there is a chance to control your anger. By observing your anger situation, then you may try to avoid that one. But in that moment, if you count 1 to 10 numbers and back from 10 to 1 by fingers, slowly we can get control. Another one also, if you plan, is there any stressful situation you can't express, you may express that one with a anger. In that moment, what are the happiest ones? Sometimes even if you wanted to laugh, go into private place, that makes you to keep some your mind pleasure also. So is there any good relation? If you love some people, you must maintain that social relations by spending that happy time with whatever you like. It gives some peace of mind also. Is there any person irritating you to make you to lose your temperament? Try to avoid the situation from that person. Be away with that type of conversation also. In that moment, slowly we can manage our anger not to be expressed in with other members. Even present day, if you show anger on children also, they can't tolerate. Sometimes there is a chance to reflect another way also. So it is better to avoid all this type of situation to get good relations Not only in family, even in professional life also, it is more useful all this. Anger is most problematic situation in day-to-day life. In that moment, if we see the words given by Gautama Buddha, holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. See, in that moment only how it is painful, we can't express in words. So, definitely we have to control our anger. Even if you get angry, please try to be silent for some time. Even though you don't like to talk, try to avoid phone in that moment. Even in anger situation, don't respond to the mails also. In that moment, you don't know how you are moving with others. It's very difficult to bring back the good relations. Try to divert your mind with the different tasks to control your anger on particular incident or matter. Drink some water. Slowly, the situations make you to feel cool also. So routine exercises also make us to feel happy. If you have any doubt, my website address http colon slash slash nalini pilluru psychologist.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.